Hello, and welcome to Business Text Messaging Tutorials. Today, we're going to see how to set up an inbox rule to have the messages received forwarded to an email address. Let's get started. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Workflows and Rules. Then click on Inbox Forwarding Rules. Click on New Inbox Rule to add a new rule. Enter the rule name. This is for internal reference only. Select the user account and the texting number. Check the Anything checkbox to forward all messages received to the email address. Enter the email address where you would like to receive the messages in the Forward to Email field. If you would also like to forward the message to a mobile number, you can do so by entering the mobile number in the Forward to Mobile field. The subject template and email template are pre-filled. It can be customized as required. This is how the subject field and the email would look like in your email inbox. Check the Include History checkbox if you would like to include message history in the forward email. The default autoresponse message will be triggered every time a new conversation is initiated. The reply autoresponse is triggered every time the user replies to your text message. The Forward to Webhook allows you to forward messages to your web application. Click Save. Once saved, you can create calendar-based autoresponses by click on Manage Autoresponses. Give the message a name. This is for internal reference only. Enter the start and end date and time for the message. Select the days of the week for the message. You can add more calendar-based messages by clicking on the New Message button. Once done, click on Back. As you can see, the calendar-based messages have been set and applied to the rule. Thanks for watching.